Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful flower hair brand and beautiful ideas. Latest and different style and different stuff like flower, fur stuff and net fabric and silk fabric. Different flower look and hairstyle bands looks like hairband, clip pin style and flower hair bands come in a wide variety of design to suit different style and performance. Here are some popular designs and beautiful color style and rose blossom headband. Headband adorned with silk and fabric roses is a classic and elegant choice for formal event. Latest and beautiful ideas. Baby breath flower is perfect for a stable and subtle and romantic look style. Ponies flower crown ponies are now for their lash petals and are often used in large flower crowns for a bold and feminine appearance. Simple and charming, beautiful ideas and beautiful looks. So I hope you like it.